To beard the lion in his den. To confront or challenge someone on their own ground.
I just came to know you slapped our manager yesterday.
Yes, it wasn't easy, but I decided to walk into his office and beard the lion in his den. He is a shameless person who doesn't know how to behave with women.
A living dog is better than a dead lion. It is better to be a coward, but still alive, than a hero and die.
What the hell were you up to? Actually, I lost my keys. So I was trying to enter the house through the balcony. You could have died. Next time, don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, a living dog is better than a dead lion.
Fight like a lion. To fight very fiercely and bravely.
I am feeling really bad for Jonathan. I just hope he gets the justice he deserves. Don't worry, he would fight like a lion to protect his family from harm.
To put one's head in the lion's mouth. To deliberately place oneself in a dangerous or difficult situation.
I don't understand why boss fired you. I put my head in the lion's mouth and told him what I really thought about him. I wouldn't have done that if I were you.
Lion-hearted. Someone who is very brave and not afraid of anything.
I think the government is smart enough to crush the revolution. But their fearless actions show that they are lion-hearted and unstoppable. Yes, but everyone should abide by the rules and regulations set by the government.